In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert charts in PowerPoint. If you want to present numbers, trends, or comparisons in a way that looks clear and professional, adding a chart is one of the easiest ways to do that. PowerPoint has a built-in chart feature that lets you quickly place a visual graph onto your slide without needing any complicated setup. To begin, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want the chart to appear. Make sure you're on the correct slide first, because that will save you time later and help you keep your presentation organized. Once you're ready, look at the top of the PowerPoint window for the ribbon menu. From there, click on Insert. This tab is where PowerPoint keeps tools for adding different types of content to your slide, such as pictures, shapes, tables, and of course, charts. If you're new to PowerPoint, this is a very useful tab to become familiar with because you will use it often when building presentations. After you click Insert, find the chart option and click on it. This will open the chart insertion window where PowerPoint allows you to choose the style of chart you want to add. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, you may see options like column charts, line charts, pie charts, bar charts, and more. Choosing the right chart type depends on the kind of information you want to show. For example, column and bar charts are great for comparisons, while line charts work well for showing change over time. Once you select a chart, PowerPoint will place it onto your slide and usually open a small spreadsheet window so you can enter or edit the data behind the chart. This makes it easy to customize the chart and make it match the information you want to present. As a quick tip, after inserting your chart, you can resize it by clicking and dragging the corners, and you can also move it around the slide to fit your layout better. Keeping the chart large enough to read is especially important if your presentation will be viewed from a distance. That's all it takes to insert a chart in PowerPoint. It's a simple feature, but it can make your presentation much more engaging and easier for your audience to understand.